Here's how to delete everything from any Android phone. Now let's swipe up from here and open up your settings. We're going to do all of this in the settings. I would highly recommend first just backing up everything so that when you delete everything, you don't lose all that data. So to be able to back it up, we can back it up to Google Drive or Samsung or whatever other cloud service you have. So we can scroll down to Accounts and Backup and then Backup Data. You'll be able to see this is Google Drive. I'm just going to tap on the backup now and wait for it to go through this process. Again, I would highly recommend doing this so you don't lose all of your data when you wipe and factory reset it. After it's gone through that entire process, let's go through the process of resetting this phone and deleting all the data. So go back to the very beginning of your settings and you have two different options. One is you can just search for it, or you can manually navigate to it just by scrolling down until you get to General Management and then Reset. Again, if you don't find the Reset button, you can just search within Settings for Reset. It gives you a number of different options. You can reset the settings, you can reset various SIM cards or mobile network, but if you go down to the bottom, you can see Factory Data Reset. Essentially what this will do is it will sign you out of your phone, but it will also delete all of the data on your Android phone, whether you have a Samsung phone, Google Pixel, or any other phone. So just scroll down to the bottom, and when you're ready, hit that reset button, and it will essentially bring it back to as if you just bought that phone from the store.